In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name in Mailchimp emails. Let's walk through how to personalize your Mailchimp emails so that they greet each subscriber by their first name. This not only makes your messages feel more friendly and human, but it can also improve engagement because people tend to respond better when something feels like it's written just for them. First, make sure you're in the Mailchimp email builder with the campaign or email draft you want to edit already open. This is the standard place where you design your email content, add images, and write your copy. Once your draft is open, look for a text content block in your layout. This might be your main body text, a greeting at the top, or any section where you want to say something like "Hi" or "Hello," followed by the subscriber's name. Click inside that text block to start editing. As soon as you click, you should see the text editing or formatting toolbar appear, usually above or near the block you're working in. This toolbar is where you can change fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the first name to appear. A common spot is right after a greeting. For example, you might type "Hi" and then add a space, and this is where your cursor should go. Wherever your cursor is, that's where Mailchimp will insert the first name tag. Now, in that formatting toolbar, look for the option labeled Merge Tags. It's typically a drop-down menu. Click on this Merge Tags drop-down to open a list of different personalization options that Mailchimp provides, such as email address, first name, last name, and other fields you may have in your audience. From this list, select first name. As soon as you click it, Mailchimp will automatically insert a special code into your text. It will look like this: star, vertical bar, FNAME, vertical bar, star. When someone receives your email, Mailchimp replaces that code with the actual first name they have on file for that subscriber. On your screen, it will still look like the code, but in the final email, it will show something like "Hi Sarah" or "Hi Alex," depending on who is reading it. This simple step makes your emails feel much more personal, and once you get used to it, adding first names with merge tags will become a natural part of how you write every campaign.